Hello, it's me again, Mrs. M. So another common problem, and I've been dealing with it for nearly 3 years. The iPads popping out of the cases. Yeah, it's a problem. It's annoying. I totally get it. So the key to fixing this, leverage. You're gonna want a tool. You can use a screwdriver. I have been known to pick up a pair of scissors, a particularly strong pen, something. If you happen to have someone in your family that does a lot of auto body work, there's a great auto body tool that is like made for this job. That's just if you happen to have one lying around. Anyways, so I like to use screwdrivers. It's the easiest thing. But what it is these rubber cases are just so tight, and you have to get leverage. You got to put the tool inside and stretch out that rubber in order to get it to wrap back around the case itself, the hard plastic case. I'm going to lower this a little bit so you can see some more of how I'm doing this. It does work better if you set it on a surface. So there it is. And actually, because I'm not at school, I don't have my preferred screwdriver. So I'm putting this thing away and going to go to the scissors. There we go. Now it's working. So anyways, it's all about leverage. And you want to start at corners. That's usually the easiest spot. And I know it doesn't sound pleasant, but it's okay. You got to give some force. You can't be gentle on this process itself, unfortunately. But there you have it. Nicely put back together. Ooh, let's see how many of those we can get. All right, so if you have more problems, just go ahead and let your teacher know. Comment on any of these videos. We can get you some more tutorials out to help. All right, bye.